journey, the journey, the journey. A breast say the anaya energy. Not just in the so obie bisa why and apna edineba and then the opening pabi a bremonan sana no mammy trame home kwaji abwa for and cratwa me ba. Yeah, but was Yakwaji and Kratso about Oguswa the Jenny TV show I will Adom TV and my name is Penny Pabi and about between Kumawood Medi so say about movie I will Ghana and we're talking about the movie industry you can't do without him. I am a director, your friend is Sampower and your name between Kumo Papa Aquaba. And then the area singing who Sampower. Or more recently na Sampower. I think say you had even a series on this channel. Series Wadum TV.
Oh yeah.
Why you mana so you home and then you home. Yeah, that's so by Sampower na you can say Sampower is that a real name and I say Udin Pa Eden.
Okay, your friend is Samuel Apia.
Okay.
Samuel Apia about power. Power need to be a free school. So what I say.
Okay.
Name nickname.
Nickname or school time.
School time and I'm the
Sam also. And I Sampower.
Yeah.
Ya won say mo ye movie see obi see industry ye gu obi so see ejinemu omo ejinemu mo de omo gu so awo seta omo echa. How do you see the industry now?
Oh, industry ni koso obi because it's in gu bia no me no okay fine to on the side ni dey meet maintenance because we are in opinion.
Yeah,
very good. It's a good fine by any
okay,
so I just who is a guama bakukra
muguswa ejuma na say who say mo production e wo Dubai. How far is that? Was it a production and I shot videos and
movies na you try to go YouTube na.
Okay, and then the industry is still there.
Yeah,
because I first say who
Debbie. To me there ejuma na no na me.
Okay.
Meto atare industry. Made deal meto petrol. They may be a industry.
It's a good young Kenya. Not just omo you omo free but you people are still doing it.
It will change of everything.
Yeah.
It will be a change in the bar. That's when to me for why.
And Shima. Yeah.
Very good because Indian.
Now YouTube when they pay. You won't. Okay. To say be an investor be wa bontain. No person investing into it. So you know Jenny here. A benefit.
No crowd which me can say Papa Crouching CDs those days.
Because CD cover sempre just got kucha.
Very good. And I CD no baby market abeka koton. Man to be call rounds. What is it? The obi o hwe me be anim dey making.
Yeah.
You understand? Very good. Ebi o crowd be producer no ni ho. Yes we too kwan we say was o train na man ba no be gada usika ina here.
E dey ma.
But YouTube no each and every day we usika we there.
Wonya.
E koma nko ade.
Okay, now say a investment it take time. It's just say ne ya obi ya na eba.
Sure, bibi sanity. Anamebo. Very good. Akwai say o titu bi ama na ba be star. Kakra won say obeji boom.
Obeji boom. Wow, we dey odi abamu. Eya na directors bebre etime fans roma bi na o ma ye ne ye. How do you see someone now who say way bibi woni mu am push na ebe ye? How do you select your people?
Oh, okay, fine. I say nipa no we bring show more set so. So I say somebody like Chicheku. I'm for Chicheku ni example kesi. Is one name so well known no Kumasi. Very good. We share Chicheku no one guy been na me friend Pozo. Good. No the blame so every time call a new way you man why no for Pozo so na penasa ba.
Okay.
It's one time me try me which was Zangura and Chicheku mobile. We do much try crowd scenes in area and no producer be friend OP Ventures.
Okay, yeah.
Mesi me kwa series bi mano big series se bi di be 3 months nti nkola ni na bai to mba me dey facility me stars omo am do mu twa ne ade obi etwa ko nim ti ko mu ye nkola omo set no so omo ye pie e wo set no so but bi te be bi na se me hwe na otimi se no wayi nsem kwa ho no mo sere
omo bibi woni mu
omo sere ti nti ye be wie no se ya na etwa no 2 weeks asante for 2 weeks ne akọ infante for 2 weeks ne asa back to asante ne asa akọ yes 2 weeks nti etwa asante for ndie na ye be kọ no ana me ka se mo akola no costume ne de e ma me
wow
no mo de share no to twa simba akọ na me se me one interesting way onko fi ko ni break be one day onko bossa cool anya de
emra
So I just say, and I miss a council sin I'm the man. Which are 125 cents. I will do my work.
Wow.
What I say, because me who dear walk on.
Yes.
And I know, oh, yes, so.
Oh, yeah.
Do because when you know, but you're quite the Biaka Kawama, which you cry. Now, I'm very good. Kakanga Doctor like is here. So no
wow, nice. And so maybe we want to say, wait, yeah, oh, yeah, yeah.
Did you could be who knows where star?
Oh, wow.
Seriously,
that's nice.
Say me, so for Nankabi, I'm bad TV to be kind.
Sorry, I also, yeah. Oh, yes, see, I will wait, you It's all be our aside, Chechoku, is there any other person that you've helped? Baby. Oh, wow. Na eya obi wo timi ka se meboa obi obeye star no ombume my friend is said to konko obi wo ase na meboa wo pen ene mehia wa wo mane ade se oboa obi mane be star no odu baby is it by force to say wo hia na e wo se omra and they have to be loyal to you?
Oh, I was say loyalty. Me, I respect him. I respect loyalty.
Okay.
Very good.
That's the only thing you need.
Very good. I based on loyalty because we know be animal. Loyalty
is very important. Yeah.
But say nipa no be a question we call label bi.
Now intimi.
Very good. And I say when your management be management na e control no. Ye kwa yesi. Nti emfa wo te be nipa ne papa no.
Intimi free horse.
Good. And I ban some be industry player. Okay. I have to understand and then go by their rules. So what I say.
Yeah.
Good. And you know so o makwan na nature na ye de
ejuma.
But you want to say, yeah. Me can say be a artist, no.
What boy they paint they have to be loyal to you.
Who I know because I be diagro. Say a bass a juma say oh ba fine. Me throw obra. Ni enko juma. Right and then esi me enko juma, esi me enko esi okay. And we are say 10 years go na say be a be do me so I train one.
And yam prepare home because when him say a break and ye di a yard. Which year na uba industry no. And then I was starting because you be a starty baby. Oh yeah. And so obey your dear or yet it's what then I was starting.
So it was 2007.
Okay.
And I the idea. So me movie. Until me of a crowd was there. Me and I'm coming training college and I'm teacher and I'm from university. I'm so what's it. To me we SS no. Me senior brother no be poly.
Okay.
And I'm really doing common also.
Oh yes, as 2007.
No, we as 2009.
2009. Yeah, okay.
As 2009. But before no, me nyam school no, na still management. Me bra pen na ma me carry me say me.
Okay.
And I saw football could be a friend so for ko no so koko ni je ho ye be bo ni. Nti me offer no so want say. Nti me wi am ho na me dim sika ko register.
Yeah, right. Ejuma way.
Nti but before no, na me be as writer. Because writing and I'm sure I say go tell me story ama Crystal movies me refi Crystal me refi dig say Ghana
what's it dey
also want to say
so look at the cheme ko egu am ntimi ntwa
when you mo sorry I was and I'm say okay mate me nya ntoma me dey achew na emu me pese me sa act nti e bende
okay
no so mo dey omo nya meeting ni nti me come Miracle Films no the Miracle Films number mo dey ma nti me ko papa no so no to kan ko US nti no say me train ano buy na omo ye me audition na me pass here na me namu nti me namu na me hu de eko omo ko
wrong place
ti me namu na me kushia guy baako na fufu se mo na me kushia guy baako na that time say my true story baako bi say me story no nye sa na ye de ye true no ti me hu so no script kuta na me say na we so ye de no so movie ni say ni true na me say sa
na ni o twa to ho
I'm me fast into me ko kan ya na me say no me wi ase do mu say de
no
me ko sisi by omo zo wana your story we enye de kra
sini fo na chichi rade
same way
it's
omanje me we ho ya na ko se mi fi enti adwuma bia guy bi e fe ne sapo show e same way industry kwam bonzu to twesi ni na obegada ina na de ko nti de ko no so wa woni ji crew ho bra wa woni ji story writing ho bra na so me call story writing no no wo chere story ritual no go school da
concept to I don't chere mo
o na no na e ka na e
na mo chro
wa woni ma de na wo chro
ti
chro ba ko mienu a no mko chai to mko chai na me say nti me so metima chro bi ama na twa na say no na me so metimi twa bi na me so de e ewura mo kakra ansana the tree meets me about nafti.
Okay. It's okay directing on nafti for 3 years.
No, 2
years.
Yeah,
Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Okay. Tia Juan after that, who say master say we na open na call school. After the nafti na oba back, say yeah, kasa to your credit. How many movies ni beti me aka say Sampower echa to your credit?
Those
okay.
Those because the Emi and Kasami de Crown, it should be 50.
Eh, na nko 4 dear.
Nko 4 years me yen more cry me.
That's what dear. That's why you can go 200 near chi.
Min kai me nipa de I mean you be friend abas only with me do my dance. With me do.
Sir, eh, na juma de mo ye bi. Now is there any assurance for the industry? Say be a director now ye actor and now say any crew member whilst the creative space juma bebre o ho a so be o chira de ne ade on pension we that should be obeji. When it comes to the movie industry, is there anything that they've put together? Say you have to save something for that should be that should be BBC and yafe ni eba bontia when you get to your 60 and I say in case of BBC ubetimi enya mwa BBC awo ho.
Okay, I wouldn't say yeah insurance, but yeah the royalties.
Royalties, not everywhere.
Oh yeah, but we call society be ASOC, the visual rights of society. So I just say, and almost a friend of compensation rights.
Okay.
Every producer.
Okay.
But say movies go for pirating, rent be the pen drive to way.
Okay.
The government in producers in the book.
That's a mere
Also,
the match that me some could trade fair. Or say Abena could say could mind be that.
And every year be nobody can cry day. First name mood.
First, no, what be a mood kakra.
Oh yeah, my GP to us pay.
Hey, no, he said there's 150.
And I see me damage trainer credit.
We the piaka. Oh
yeah. And you fun as economy no. We
just heard say a year budget by ye. You bought some amount of money beer. Ebe the creative arts movie industry, especially we heard Kumawood. Have you heard it? Untie bi wo. Ene me so your minister video ne da bonten. I will see omo aban de sika putwo bi aba. Yade be boa the movie industry, especially ehokwa na emede o se Kumawood.
On say some way no. E buy na emede.
It's out. I even have the video.
Okay.
E wa bonten.
But the outcome and you prove it.
It is a wine and mudra to no say ne yat you sika no wood.
Creative art minister and I was say Conin.
Okay, that's Mazifa.
Very good.
Okay.
No need to be boa. If there is any disbursing beer or so disbursing court or
the right
very good.
Okay.
Right people no also.
But is there any association e betime yi mo mpanyufo say ye kochia ma na ye de ha wakoto nanim say this is what we've heard about the budget for 2026. Entima ye di kan dia beto anim say na be da won so a obehu ha wa obeboa yen because industry call for me we have some producers and directors bia omo na ekura mo abepim now sure. And so if there is any helper a chile for ni benya bi kra me hu ni say omo mo so mo abedru say ni de e was say omo yes bibisa is them penyifo bisa
oh yeah
an associations
I was say ASOC 5 pack directors association crew association so 4 associations
we come bom e nipa
okay what you say no mutimi akọ omako jina sad night ama yes asika no maka but me am tears Sampower dey be am said so but me nya one city crown am dey twese.
That's serious.
So what I say and I some because there are some people who are working right now in the industry.
Every day they are just
somebody like Chinchin Chan we adwuma kodon cancel we na adwuma
oh back to back
so that's adwuma what I say e unkofu bebre omo ye dey omo ye adwuma so ukọ skate nso like nso ne squad omo so ye dey adwuma but the people no say unkofu mo bo mu dey bia na mu bia kra ni ho a
obenya bi nti e kọ he
enu ni asem no but what I say
yes,
good minister be tie me a that room say bia na wo hwe me by chance bi na say wonya na so hwe bia momwa na emfa right channel na ejuma ni ntimi nye de
enkoso because mo de nkofo ogumo na ase o from crew to artist to I mean like yedamase so budget na metie na mani agems when I heard the MTN and me, but especially I have it here. It will messend it MTN, so I'll give it to you. Oh, Sikanomodu. Oh, it's a see, maybe a messend the amount. Why? A MTN crowd, women are forward the amount. MTN, I was happy, but not Minty Kumawood, my but Mitiko say especially just say, oh, Jinaso say especially Kumawood. Ah, go, thank you.
I mean, clear idea about Koa. I say, Casa Kumawood, and yet. Basically for Kumasi and Kumawood. No, the local movies. Very good. That's the my uncle G break, maybe. Me patrol ye try your home, aqua Jin Crato, ye bar, Yabatwaso, and Cobebia. Journey, Yakwaji and Crato about Uguswahili the Journey TV show at Doom TV, and I'm a guest and a director. Your friend is Sampower, or your director for Ghanaian movie. I say but the creative arts industry, you cannot say nothing without him. I mean, he's part of the best that we can have in Ghana. And you're director networking komo FI your creative space, especially your movie industry. To Batrafe and what's Nasia Jibre na yetu ankomo so papa enchebiana ya dijumadi no query obi wo ho a lot of people on social media sometimes me post me they come, I want to act, I want to do this, and I'm like omba media anti abra see act the director see wo ho so obi hwe na opese on acting and on bambe come ho. Is there any number or is there any social media handler what about to about na reach out to you? Oh, okay. Medina Sampower.
Okay.
All
everywhere.
The social media.
Okay.
All the social media platform. TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, everywhere.
You're on Twitter?
No.
And you always say me minimum crap. Okay, but there can be what about YouTube?
Yeah, no.
Sampower
TV.
Stars TV. Yeah. It's in purchase share ye Facebook and baby be a brochure and baby no subscribe to Stars TV. So na be a obetimi so as supporting the movie industry by watching the movie na wetimi anya kakra e dey ama artists no wetimi akobi wasenya kwa akotwa dey yeda wasese obaye. Is there any ba komienu bi a obeda na senya fa dwumade no enquiry ye?
Okay. First of all, medical da yankopon wase say my show about so and two I can tell furnitures.
Okay. Oh, when in a call to buy now. Oh, okay. Only a year Frank in it we me who saw it
strong man. Yeah, no winner.
Oh, okay. I thought it was a different company. Oh, okay.
Yeah. Then I see because one day pay the money so.
Oh.
And two with the Kumasi for in us or supporting your movies Accra. We also supporting movies be na mo koso an hwe movies no mai one wasem new series or try go TV mo koso an hwe mai
o koso an hwe. Thank you so much for coming na just answer na obekọ no baba yi ba ko ama me o di sin aha nice way there come pa hey we dey achedi e be so any na the Jennifer say preach about repentance. So your director with your script. Shake it. It's a director trust script direct here. Silence here. And then I so like to see when him preach about repentance.
Okay.
It's you.
All right. So any form of preaching.
That's it. So, what's a cry? No, your friend, I'm saying a cry.
Okay.
It's you.
Preaching way a comma yen youth no. Mother room. Street in this wash. Into the mother room. I'm sure Musu.
And your message. Because all the message now was a main preacher, and I may act here. And mommy message. I was so you near the four. Now me back. You have to preach.
Book preaching.
Yeah, ciao. Oh, okay. And then they do so.
John 3:16 was it for God who loved the world that He gave His only begotten Son. So I just say, "Send your couple wants to do we see." No one didn't drop a bar copy. Every bar for the day. Am I? And you know, so show me. They meet me account and say, "Yeah, man, young couple." Emoja na obi hwegu ye no Yesu Kristo moja na hwegu ye enye mfaso de emma sebi e Kristofo na sanya nkopon
wa microwave you
wa yesu preach me
wa microwave repent so but preach is some idea wait Aberantia. What in a channel, depending on your buffua, who would have fun? Oh, say,
I'm preaching and going.
Well, Peter. Yeah, that's so by why. Someone who directs at the one I have.
Thank you so much.
I'm patrol frame money. And I feel sponsors to say, I'm hampered tea. O hamper so ewo ho kama pa ya dance pa se obaye. It's been amazing on today's episode. Minister Westia they said the Miss Bessia the name my guest no your director or your movie director, your producer, your script writer just on it here or koni nyinam wo sua de ewo dia or ye no nim. Enti aha ena brebe me de dwumade asibidi e de Abena Ghana asida PSA enkoma Adum TV mpanyefo afi me sponsors nyina so maso masin wa wotina hwehwe nyame enhraw asemba akona da bia me kacho me sinyame wo ma ebeyeye me din e de Abena Ghana abunofo agudie brekum de share clack it. The journey, the journey.